individual but also a community.
It's the camaraderie and the friendship that we forged throughout these 2 years that will last for a lifetime.
To me, the first thing that attracted me to Hwa Chong was the people I met when I first came in. Like the teachers, the students, they really made me feel very welcome, and they provided me with a very holistic understanding of what Hwa Chong is, and that it nurtures you not only as a student but also as a member of the society to really care about everyone around you.
I guess it was just a spur of the moment decision. It was a feeling I had when I came here for the open house when I first stepped into school that made me realize that, this is where I want to be.
I think that Hwa Chong on top of it all provides a lot of opportunities that you can pick and choose according to what you really like. For example, be it you master in the sciences or the humanities, there's always a lot of opportunities that you can grab. For example, like I am in the Bicultural Studies program. It is a 4-year program from Sec 3 onwards, and Hwa Chong is really one of the few schools that provides such a program for people who are really interested in maybe like in China or like just the world in general. And for me, this program really opened up my worldview. It shaped my characters, it shaped some of my goals and ambitions, and I am very, very grateful to have had the opportunity to be in this program.
One particular memory that I hold very fondly is being part of the school's annual production. It's called Huang Chen Ye Yun, and it's a tradition that's been passed on over many years, where every year a team of maybe 100 people put together a huge drama production in Chinese, and alumni from all across the years will come back and watch, as well as other people from other schools.
I'd say what I love about Hwa Chong is really the community and the spirit.
And one part of it that really forms our school culture is like Sodache. So Sodache stands for songs, dances and cheers, and it's a long cherished and really unique component of our college culture. During special occasions such as Mid-Autumn festivals, which is the short term will be MAF, the alumni would come back, and then all as a whole, the whole family would just participate in this Sodache. So I feel like this is really a part which really bonds us as a whole school.
Like, there's this sense of togetherness. It's a big cohort, we have 1,000 people.
But even if you don't meet everyone, you can actually meet a large group of people through different events.
But the people that you do meet and the people that you do come across, they really change you and they really bring color to your life.
What the Hwa Chong Mosaic means to me is
A vibrant
The connection
art
between
scene
and
that is
different religions to share.